Machines have become an indispensable part of our work, offering innovative solutions across various sectors. Their ability to automate, optimize, and enhance processes has led to significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. At Samtech, we explore the transformative impact of these technologies on our daily work and future possibilities. Smart farming technologies, such as autonomous tractors, precision irrigation systems, and AI-driven crop monitoring, are revolutionizing agriculture. These innovations help farmers maximize yields, reduce resource use, and enhance crop health. By adopting smart farming, the agricultural sector can sustainably feed a growing population. Advanced construction technologies like modular building systems, robotic constructors, and 3D printing are transforming the construction industry. These machines increase efficiency, reduce waste, and improve safety. By embracing these innovations, the construction sector can build more sustainable and resilient structures. Industry 4.0, marked by the integration of cyber-physical systems, IoT, and AI, is revolutionizing manufacturing. Automated production lines, smart factories, and digital twins enable manufacturers to enhance productivity, improve product quality, and reduce operational costs. By integrating Industry 4.0 technologies, companies can remain competitive in a rapidly changing market. Innovative transportation solutions, such as electric vehicles, high-speed rail systems, and autonomous delivery drones, are enhancing mobility and reducing environmental impact. Technologies offer efficient, reliable, and sustainable transportation options. By investing in innovative transportation, industries can optimize logistics and reduce carbon footprints. Renewable energy technologies, including wind turbines, solar panels, and bioenergy systems, are powering a sustainable future. Machines generate clean energy, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and promote energy independence. By adopting renewable energy solutions, communities can transition towards a greener and more sustainable future. Telemedicine platforms, wearable health devices, and eye diagnostic tools are revolutionizing healthcare delivery. These technologies enable remote patient monitoring, improve access to care, and facilitate personalized treatment plans. By incorporating digital health innovations, healthcare providers can enhance patient outcomes and reduce costs. Quantum communication and networking technologies, including quantum cryptography, quantum repeaters, and quantum internet, are securing data transmission. These machines ensure ultra-secure communications, protect against cyber threats, and enable high-speed data transfer. By leveraging quantum communication, organizations can safeguard sensitive information and enhance connectivity. AI-driven retail technologies, such as virtual fitting rooms, predictive analytics, and automated inventory management, are transforming customer experiences. These machines personalize shopping, optimize stock levels, and streamline operations. By integrating AI in retail, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction and drive sales. Eco-friendly mining technologies, including electric mining trucks, autonomous drills, and AI-powered environmental monitoring systems, are reducing the environmental impact of mining operations. These machines minimize resource wastage, reduce emissions, and enhance worker safety. By adopting eco-friendly mining solutions, the industry can operate sustainably and responsibly. Innovative food processing machines, such as automated packaging lines, precision fermentation systems, and high-quality control, are catering to global demands. These technologies increase efficiency, ensure food safety, and reduce waste. By incorporating innovative food processing, the industry can meet diverse consumer preferences and ensure high-quality products. Blockchain technology and fintech innovations, like decentralized finance platforms, digital wallets, and automated trading systems, are transforming financial services. These technologies enhance transaction security, improve accessibility, and reduce operational costs. By embracing blockchain and fintech, financial institutions can provide more transparent and efficient services. Logistics and supply chain automation technologies, including autonomous vehicles, AI-driven demand forecasting, and smart warehouses, are streamlining operations. These machines optimize inventory management, reduce delivery times, and enhance supply chain visibility. By integrating logistics automation, companies can improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. Nanotechnology machines, such as atomic layer deposition systems, nanoparticle synthesizers, and nanofabrication tools, are enhancing product performance. These technologies enable the creation of advanced materials, improve energy efficiency, and reduce environmental impact. By adopting nanotechnology, manufacturers can innovate and deliver high-performance products. Predictive analytics tools, including machine learning algorithms, data visualization platforms, and AI-powered forecasting systems, are informing strategic decisions. These technologies provide insights into market trends, customer behavior, and operational efficiency. By leveraging predictive analytics, businesses can make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the competition. AI-powered maintenance technologies, including predictive maintenance systems, condition monitoring sensors, and automated diagnostics tools are enhancing equipment reliability. These machines minimize downtime, optimize maintenance schedules, and extend equipment lifespan. By integrating AI-powered maintenance, companies can reduce costs and improve operational efficiency. Machines are at the forefront of innovation, driving progress across all sectors. At Samtech, we continue to explore the endless possibilities these technologies offer in enhancing our work and daily lives. As we navigate the future, machines will remain key to achieving greater efficiency, sustainability, and success in every field.